Nicholas, what happens if mommy doesn't buckle up?
I told you already.
Can you tell me again?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, what happens if mommy doesn't buckle up?
I will send you to the cops.
You're gonna send me to the cops?
Yeah.
And where are they gonna take me?
They can take you to a tiger and some lions and some bears.
They're gonna take me with lions, tigers, and bears?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, and what's gonna happen to me?
A tiger is gonna eat you.
They're gonna eat mommy?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. And what are you gonna do about it?
I'm gonna save you.
You're gonna save me?
Yeah.
How?
I'm gonna take you out this tiger's mouth.
Really?
And open the door and give you back in the car. And you was not gonna be eaten anymore.
Thank you so much for that, Nicholas.
Okay.
You're a really good boy.
Yeah. And now I take my finger out of my mouth.
Yes, take the finger out of your mouth because you're a big boy, right?
Yeah.
Good. What happens if Daddy doesn't buckle up?
Daddy will go to the policeman and policeman are going to send Daddy to the cops. And the cop are going to take Daddy to a tiger. And he said, wow, you see a tiger out there? And he's going to eat them. And I'm rescue Daddy from the tiger.
You're gonna rescue Daddy too?
Yeah.
How are you gonna do it?
And I'm gonna get out of the tiger's mouth by myself. I'm gonna get out of the tiger's mouth, and she's gonna jump back in the air and go away. And I'm gonna get my seatbelt and buckle and wait to go faster.
And then where are we gonna go after all that?
We're gonna go home after that.
Thank you.
You're welcome.